All right, go ahead. Tell me what you got for the light setup for this
All right,
weekend.
so what we got set up for the lights right now, we have this little system right here. So we got the Baja Designs S1 Moto Kit right here in the classic dual sport shell right here, straight from 2004. That's what we're going to be doing this here. And we're going to power this with this battery. That's what we're going to do right there. That's the winning combination right there, guys. Actually, it doesn't look bad.